Class 9, Chapter 10, Circles, Exercise 10.4. Question number 1. Two circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at 2 points and the distance between their center is 4 cm. Find the length of the common chord. These are the two circles. The circle radius is 5 cm and this is the 3 centimeter radius circle. These two circles are intersect at 2 points here A and B. We have given name for intersecting points A and B. Now we need to join these 2 points. If we join these 2 points, we will get a chord. You can see this chord AB is common for a circle 5 centimeter radius also and the circle 3 centimeter radius also. We need to find this chord length. Already in the question they have given the radius of the circle. So if we take center of the circle is O and the center of the circle is O prime. If we join O to A, we will get the radius of this circle, that is 5 centimeter. Similarly, if we join O prime to A, we will get the radius of the circle, this circle, that is 3 centimeter. That is also given in the question. And then we need to join two centers of this circle also. The distance between these two centers of the circle is 4 centimeter. That is also given in the question. Now we need to find the length of the chord. You can see here O prime. This is called AB. This we know the line drawn to the center to the chord will be perpendicular to the chord. That line will be bisect the chord. So according to that we can take this O prime line is bisecting this chord. That means AC is equivalent to CB. Where it is exactly intersect the chord, we have given the name C. So AC, this line O prime will be bisect the chord AB as AC and CB. So to find out AB, what we have to do, we need to find AC, because you can see if this OC is perpendicular to AB means here it is rectangle 90 degree. So we know how by using hypotenuse formula we can find this line, because we know the base length and the hypotenuse length. By using these two length we can find this perpendicular height. Similarly, we can use this length, base, total base, this whole base is 4 centimeters. So what we need to do, first find out what is OC and what is CO prime. We know O prime is equivalent to 4 centimeter, that is given in the question. But we need to find out what is OC and CO. So that what I am going to do, let CO is X. CO prime is equivalent to X. If CO prime is X, if we subtract this X from 4, we will get to OC. So OC is equivalent to 4 minus X. Now in triangle, right angled triangle OCA, we are going to use the Pythagoras formula. What is the Pythagoras formula? We know square of hypotenuse. OA is the square of hypotenuse. Square of hypotenuse is equivalent to square of the sum of two sides. That means OC square plus AC square. Hypotenuse will be the exactly opposite to the 90 degree. So OA square is equivalent to OC square plus AC square. This is the perpendicular line. We know what is OA, what is OC, but we need to find out AC. So keep this AC this side. Bring this OC to this side. So what will happen? OA square minus OC square, which is equivalent to AC square. We know what is OA. OA is 5 centimeter, already given in the question. So 5 square minus OC is, here it is 4 minus x the whole square, because OC is 4 minus x, which is equivalent to AC square. Okay. AC square. If we expand this, we will get 5 square is 25. We have to expand by using a minus b the whole square formula. We know what is a minus b the whole square formula, that is a minus b the whole square, which is equivalent to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Got it? Here our a is 4 and our b is x. So instead of a and b, we need to put 4 and x. So if we do like that, what we will get? 4 a square, which is 16, minus 2ab, 2 into 4 8x, b is x, plus x square, which is equivalent to AC square. Now we need to give this minus to this, because here is a bracket. If we give minus to all the term of this expression, we will get minus 16 plus 8x minus x square, which is equivalent to AC square. So if you subtract these two, what you will get? 25 minus 16 will be 9 plus 8x minus x square is equivalent to AC square. Okay, so this is our first equation. Now we are going to find out another equation for AC by using this triangle O prime CA. Let's do that. In O prime CA, hypotenuse will be O prime A and the base will be O prime C. Perpendicular side is this AC. So by using that, in triangle O prime CA, hypotenuse O prime A square is equivalent to O prime C square plus AC square. Got it? We know O prime A is radius of this circle, that is 3, and O prime C is x. We have let it is x. So we need to substitute in this. We are going to find out AC square. So keep AC square that side. Bring this OC square to this side. So O prime A square minus O prime C square is equivalent to AC square. O prime A is 3 square minus O prime C is x, so x square, which is equivalent to AC square. If you expand this, you will get 9 minus x square is equivalent to AC square. This is our second equation. You can see in first and second equation, right hand sides are equal, AC square, AC square. If right hand sides are equal, we can equate the left hand sides of this equation. So we will do that in next page. Our two equations are 9 plus 8x minus x square is equivalent to ac square and 9 minus x square is equivalent to ac square. Both the equations right hand sides are equal, so we are going to equate left hand sides of the equation. So if we do that, we will get 9 plus 8x minus x square is equivalent to 9 minus x square. See, here minus x square, this is also minus x square. If this minus x square comes this side, it will be plus x square. So minus x square plus x square gets cancelled, so that we can cancel directly these two. Now plus 9 and plus 9 also gets cancelled, because this 9 will come this side as minus 9. This is already plus 9. If this 9, this is a minus 9, so both will get cancelled. Now remaining parts are 8x is equivalent to 0. So x is equivalent to 0 upon 8, which is equivalent to 0. So x is equivalent to 0. Substitute this x value any one of this equation. Here I am going to take second equation. If we take second equation, that is 9 minus x square, which is equivalent to ac square. Our x is 0, so if you put 0, square of 0 will be 0, which is equivalent to ac square. So 9, the square root of 9 will be ac. So if you take both the side square root, a square will be ac, this 9 will be square root of 9. We know 3 3s are 9, so ac is 3. This length AC is 3. Already we have told this O prime is bisecting this chord. So AC will be double of 2AB. That means here AB is equivalent to 2AC, because this both are equal to each other. So AB is equivalent to 2 into AC. We have found AC is 3 centimeter. So AB will be 6 centimeter. That means what? This chord, this AB is the diameter of this one. Got it? Because a radius of this circle is 3 centimeter, then the diameter will be 6 centimeter. So this chord will be the diameter of this circle. Let's draw this circle and show to you in the next page. So that diagram will be like this. This AB will be the diameter of the circle, this one. So OA is 3 centimeter, so that AB is 6 centimeter. Got it? So AB is a diameter of the smaller circle. That's it. Thank you.